Happy 420. Well, it's Paul's weed in the bush. So this kayaking trip, it was an absolute blast. I recorded for hours and hours and hours until my phone said I couldn't record anymore, and then I got the other phone out and started recording on that, and I had too much. So I ended up losing half of day one, actually over half of day one. It's explained in the video, but I thought again, just before it started, I'd let everybody know. I'm pretty disappointed in the quality of the video. Again, I had to save it so many times and transfer it from here to there and back over there. It just kept getting worse and worse every time. So, if you can bear with me for this 35-ish minute long video, thank you. It was a lot of fun. Make sure you go check out all the live streams. There was 3 of them. All the links for all that stuff should be in the description. I think I can do that. So yeah, make sure you go check that out. And again, sorry for messing up. I am looking at computers now because I can't just keep running off of the phone. I need some place to put it so I can keep it and just make it better for you guys and just better for me too, because I almost gave up. Straight up, almost gave up. Said nope, it never happened. The 3 live streams were there, so that's good enough. But I managed to piece it together and get it presentable-ish, kind of. It's all right. But I did it. I had fun. Richard did it. He had fun. We're already planning the next trip. So thanks, guys. Thanks for chilling with me. Smoke weed every day. I hope you enjoy this episode of Weed on the Water. Hey everybody, it's Paul with Weed in the Bush. I got Richard with me.
So boys, ladies,
we're going kayaking. Smoking a joint. We got ourselves a weed drink. What we got here? Deep Space cannabis infused beverage, 10 milligrams. Oh,
it's like an odd soda pop.
It's fruity. Why is it fruity? It should have said it was fruity.
Deep Space.
Okay, well, you just gotta, you know what you gotta do. You just gotta chug it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's horrible.
Oh my god. That's really reminds me of.
Well, we're gonna sit here. We're gonna drink this joint, and then next time you see us, we'll be on the river. I'm not gonna do any of that fancy like camera on the river, frickin' floating down the river shit. No, we'll be on the river because I don't want to see anybody. I don't want anybody to see us get into the kayaks, and yeah,
it's gonna be challenging because it's kind of down a little bit of a dip here.
Yeah,
so,
there's probably like a 3-4 foot drop before the water, so we'll see.
Hopefully, neither one of us fall in.
Hey everybody, it's Paul with Weed in the Bush. We're on the river. Freaking Richard's right beside me. Let's see if I can get him to you. There's Richard. So, I mean, the last time I've been in a personal watercraft that you paddle by yourself was in high school. So I graduated in 2001. And, you know, I've never been in a kayak, so I'm learning that. But it's kind of like riding a bike. Once you just remember. Still working on my balance. But man, is it beautiful outside. It's about 21 degrees, 22 maybe. Breeze blowing. There's our river so far. Absolutely fantastic. Oh, I just got rammed in the back by a kayaker.
Ram hard.
We gotta pass him this joint. Brakes on. But yeah, this is absolutely fantastic.
Look at that. Now oh man.
We're gonna touch noses. Don't lean too far.
Oh,
Yeah.
look at that. Found like a little stalemate.
Oh, you got multicolor toenails.
Yeah.
So yeah, anyways, guys, we're gonna float down the river. Oh, wait a minute. We got some Class A rapids coming up. We've already gone through 2 sets of rapids. The first one was like literally like what, 50 feet off the gate?
Yeah, great.
Like, oh crap!
You weren't prepared for that.
So we're still learning rapids. So we'll turn you around and here we go.
I say.
Yeah, this is pretty badass. I'm super glad.
I feel like I'm cruising.
We are cruising. I wonder if the GPS would pick it up.
Sweet.
Cool, guys. Well, anything exciting happens, we'll take you along. Ow. Holy shit, Richard! We got cows crossing! Hashtag Stealth Camping Alliance. Subscribe to Weed in the Bush. Holy shit, Richard, it gets bad. I need to put the case on this camera, maybe?
Yeah. What do you want to do? Hope these things don't come off.
Fuck.
Huh?
Can you get up to this shitty cow bank over here? Oh yeah, I guess there's a bunch of fucking cows here. I forgot about the cows. Let's just go. Let's go. Weed in the bush. Sorry to interrupt your regular kayaking program. But as you will see, the next scene is not after the scene you just watched. I filmed so much stuff. I had so much stuff on the phone, it was giving me problems, so I had to do it in 2 stages and delete. I did stage 1 and then I deleted all that content, and then I did stage 2 and I was working on stage 2, and then I went back to part 1, and the end half of it is corrupt. It just won't play, nothing, I can't get it back, it won't work. So you missed more rapids, you missed another cow encounter, you missed a whole bunch of joints, and you missed supper. Richard brought supper, he brought pizza, and he brought half of a big giant sub. Pretty awesome. Thanks, buddy. And you seen camp. When this kicks off, you'll be at the morning of camp, and then the rest of the day to get home. Honestly, the second half was definitely more interesting for the rapids and stuff anyways, so you didn't really miss much except for camp. You missed story time with Weed in the Bush. Next episode I'll catch you up on that. It's the contents isn't right here, so we'll catch you up on story time with Weed in the Bush next episode. But thanks for watching so far, guys. I hope you like the rest of the kayaking trip. Smoke weed every day. Weed in the bush. # Stealth Camping Alliance. Thanks, guys. Enjoy. Good morning, guys. We got some coffee made. It's actually pretty darn good this morning. I went to the dollar store and tried to buy some smaller, lighter cups. Again, I didn't know how much room we had. Got ourselves a morning wake and bake with Weed in the Bush. Well, let me tell you, it was definitely a day full of adventure. I mean, I haven't been kayaking in years, 20 years. And it was fun. Definitely had a blast. I'm sitting down here by this nice little creek, smoking a joint. Richard's still sleeping. It's about 6 o'clock in the morning. I figure we got about an hour and a half paddle to get to our pickup spot. And I'm okay with that. I'm not too sore this morning. Beautiful morning, beautiful morning. The sun is up, it's behind the evergreens over there. I don't think we got any dew or anything at camp. It's a little bit dewy and wet out by the river. That's kind of expected. But I imagine it'll be, kind of got to be paddling here within the next hour, hour and a half. So that's the plan for this morning. Paddle into the sunrise. No, by the time we get paddling, it'll be up and stuff. Again, guys, # Stealth Camping Alliance. Don't forget about the buy me a coffee. the Munch Fund. And yeah, just thanks is turned on all the videos. So if you want to donate there, obviously I think Munch Fund is the best place to donate. PayPal, because I don't get any taxes or anything taken off for there. So I mean, if you give me $10, I get 9 something, and some of it goes to the tax man. So if you want all of your $10 to go down to buying joints, send it PayPal. It's like 20 minutes later after I just talked to you. I'm back to the fire. Made a hot chocolate, not a coffee. Yeah, well, this is the second weekend in a row that Richard came camping with me. Last weekend we went to the fort, which is actually just half a kilometer that way. Didn't do any weed in the bush or shadow camping filming. Did a little bit of stuff for the members. Did a members live. It rained all night long, thunder and lightning. It was great. We had a wasp nest at the fort. We killed it. If you guys want all that extra good stuff, make sure you become a member. It's $3.99. Extra weed in the bush stuff. Not much yet, but it'll get better. Yeah, I'm gonna sit here peacefully, smoke this joint. Probably turn around, watch the sunrise. Drink my hot coffee, my hot chocolate. And then I'm gonna have to get Richard up, and we're gonna have to start packing up and moseying on out of here. What an adventure. Would it have been as much fun by myself? Yeah, I don't think so. I'm glad Richard came with me for my first time. I am definitely going to do a by myself solo trip though, for sure. It's just about 8 o'clock. We've got everything cleaned up and all that wonderful good stuff. So we'll take a camp tour. Kayak's just about packed up. Just the last few things there to go. That was my table for a little while, drying things out. Come up this way.
Beavers will be like,
what the heck? Yeah, and that was sleep quarters. That's our fire. I'm gonna throw some water on there. And then that was our chill spot. Just got my dry bag to go in the canoe and all that stuff. So we'll get that done. We'll get in the water. Well guys, I think that's pretty good. We're gonna smoke a quick joint and then we're gonna hop in the river. So we'll sit here and make sure that everything's good. But otherwise, next time we'll see you in the river. Well, guys, she's a beautiful day. Went through one set of rapids. Yeah, if you watch the live stream, you'll get it there. But we had to do some backtracking and looking because Richard thought there was a tree going across the river, but there was not. So we're into a little bit of a downhill section here. That's nice, easy. Touch bottom, I guess, just a little bit. Beautiful day. Yeah, thanks again for everybody who joined the live stream. And then, yeah, if you didn't watch the live stream, make sure you go check the live stream out. There'll be 3 of them. They're about a half hour each. First one's a little bit longer, but nothing too crazy. And we'll see you if something exciting happens. Woo! Gaining some speed there. That's awesome. If you can power through that, Richard, that'll be a lot of fun if you can power through. And we got a house right there. They're probably like, what the fuck is going on? There's yelling on the river. Yeah, that's fun, that one. Uh-oh. That was by far the biggest, best rapid we hit.
That one was nice because it had the depth.
Yeah.
Even if you slowly
Beer can? This would be Highway 2A bridge. This is a potential pickup spot. But we are going to go to one last spot. I think it'll be easy to get off. It'll be a little bit of a drag up a hill, but we've been there before, not on kayaks in the winter. And we figured probably take about a half hour, 40 minutes to get there, so we got kind of that time. So, may as well, right? May as well. So yeah, this is this bridge. Highway 2A bridge. Never been underneath this bridge. The bridge here beside it. There's a concrete pier right there. That used to be the old bridge. Again, during a massive flood, it got flooded out. Got damaged quite severely. So then they built a new bridge right beside it. Approximately like, I think 10 feet higher than the other bridge. I don't know why you wouldn't go a little bit more, but not my call. So yeah, we're gonna keep going. I'm gonna get a joint on the go and we'll smoke another joint. Holy shit. Holy fuck. Yeah, definitely a drainage pit for water runoff. This is Look at this frickin' place on the river, Richard. Damn, son. Uh-oh. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, yeah. We white water rafting now, motherfucker. Yes. Yes. Yeah, guys, that one was pretty intense. We got water in the boat. Everything's wet. Yeah. We need polarized sunglasses so we can see the fucking rocks. We're too close together. Another savage set. I'm gonna say yeah. We might see that house on the bank, remember? On the opposite side. We might see that. It's not too bad. Damn it. I'm wet. I know I shouldn't be wearing jeans kayaking. I didn't want to put my wet shorts on this morning and figured it'd be alright, but man, that was some savage rapids this morning. Holy cow.
What's wrong with wearing jeans kayaking?
Nothing wrong with wearing jeans kayaking. They're comfortable. Yeah, so definitely got some water in the kayak here. Definitely engulfed some water. So yeah, we're gonna unpack these. We'll climb them up the hill, and we'll get out of here. Well, guys, I recorded some stuff around the river, but it wasn't recording, so I'm gonna say it again. Dragging the thing up the hill. Kayaks right there. But yeah, thanks for watching this adventure. It was a lot of fun. This trail we're on right now is the one that I would have taken to go do my bridge challenge in the winter when we did the stealth camp by a bridge, and I picked that bridge. So it would have been another, I don't know, 5-10 minute paddle to get there, but this is our pickup point, so that's it for the day. I'm gonna load these in the truck, and yeah, we'll get all our rental stuff back. We'll go to the shop, pressure wash them, so they come back nice and clean for Buddy. And we'll go from there. Hashtag Stealth Camping Alliance. Subscribe to Weed in the Bush. Got the Munch Fund. Buy me a coffee. All this. Right? Oh, well, buy me a kayak. Right? That's where it's all going. That's where all the money goes. It goes to adventures, Weed in the Bush. So I can enjoy it, and you guys can enjoy it vigorously through me. And we made it. Up that hill, kayak in tow.